Turmeric milk, a traditional drink also known as golden milk. This powerful beverage is made of cow or plant-based milk mixed with turmeric. This is an incredible drink that's full of nutrients and antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory compounds. It's a great way to own your biome.
Your health from the inside out.
Let's cover the top 5 benefits of turmeric milk or golden milk, and then we'll show you how you can make it at the end of this short video. The goodness of turmeric milk is that it is made of just 5 or 6 ingredients, depending on how you make it. But probably the main healing properties of this milk come from turmeric. Turmeric is the most researched spice on the planet. Its most important compound is something called curcumin. You see, turmeric milk or golden milk contains turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. These 3 powerful spices, when combined, do a lot to combat inflammation and ailments. It's pretty amazing. Let's take a look at the top 5 benefits. Benefit 1, inflammation and joint pain. The curcumin in turmeric milk helps fight inflammation and joint pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties are comparable with certain mainstream pharmaceutical drugs. In one study, individuals with rheumatoid arthritis who took 500 milligrams of curcumin every day showed more improvement than those who took a standard drug. Similar results were found with ginger, another spice usually added to turmeric milk. Benefit 2, promotes brain health. The curcumin in turmeric milk may cut the risk of depression and Alzheimer's. This has to do with what scientists call the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF is a growth hormone in your brain that helps neurons multiply and increase in number. Low levels of BDNF have been associated with depression and Alzheimer's. The cinnamon in delicious turmeric milk increases the levels of neuroprotective proteins in the brain. This has been found to cut the risk of Parkinson's disease. Ginger was also found to boost reaction time and memory. Enjoying this video? Share it with friends, and please give it a thumbs up, as that makes it easier to be found on the internet. Benefit number 3 of golden milk, heart health. Turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon have all been linked to reduced heart disease risk. In studies, the intake of ginger powder cut down the risk of heart disease in subjects. The powder reduced the levels of bad cholesterol and increased the levels of good cholesterol. Intake of cinnamon had also shown similar effects. Curcumin was also found to reduce the risk of coronary artery disease. Benefit number 4, immune system boost. The curcumin in turmeric milk is an immunomodulatory agent. It can promote the functioning of T cells, B cells, macrophages, and natural killer cells. All these cells are essential components of the body's immune system. Curcumin can also enhance the response of antibodies. This means that curcumin's beneficial effects on arthritis, cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's can be attributed to its ability to modulate the human immune system. Did you know that turmeric milk can also help treat cold and sore throat? That's right, another reason to like turmeric milk. And finally, benefit number 5, it may reduce cancer risk. Hundreds of studies have linked curcumin to potential anti-cancer activities. Laboratory research suggests that curcumin may slow down the progression of cancer and even make chemotherapy more effective. The compound may also protect healthy cells from damage by radiation therapy. Ginger is another ingredient in turmeric milk. This spice contains 6-gingerol, which was found to exhibit anti-cancer activity. Cinnamon is another common ingredient used in turmeric milk. This spice contains cinnamaldehyde, a powerful compound that can reduce cancer risk. Though most of these studies have been done on animals, golden milk turmeric does have a promising potential in preventing cancer in humans. More research is warranted in this regard. Want to make golden turmeric milk? Making it at home is simple. Let's look at a recipe that gives you a single serving of this milk. Don't worry about writing this down. We've put this recipe in the video description below to make this simple for you. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, ½ cup of unsweetened milk, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, ½ teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 pinch of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional, to improve taste. Directions: mix all the ingredients in a pot and bring it to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the drink through a fine strainer into mugs. Top the beverage with a pinch of cinnamon. You can prepare this milk and refrigerate it for up to 5 days. Just reheat it a bit before drinking, as the slight warmth helps activate its properties. The black pepper in this recipe has a special advantage. The curcumin in turmeric by itself is not very well absorbed in the body. Adding black pepper can help. It contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin absorption by 2,000%. But please note, avoid this drink if you have kidney issues or gallbladder stones. Also, evidence suggests that turmeric milk may lower blood sugar levels far too much if taken along with anti-diabetic medication. If you are dealing with diabetes, please check with your doctor before you consume turmeric milk. Have you tried turmeric milk before? Let us know your experiences. Check out our channel and description below for more ways to own your biome. And thanks for subscribing.